Joey over here in West Fargo. We just got into this new to us mobile home. It's a 1999 in West Fargo. Obviously, we started some repairs. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 50 by 26 feet. Basically, we're going to do all new carpets, a lot of painting, a lot of finishing of the trim. It does need a washer, dryer, fridge, and oven. It does have a dishwasher. Both the heat and AC work, which is great. All the light fixtures work, which is great. We do need to get some new doors in some of them, but that's not too bad. As well as exterior doors. A lot of holes. I guess the people liked cable in the previous owners here. Just some basic repairs. Screw it in, nothing crazy. We are going to do a full paint, and then obviously all the carpet. And like I said, a couple doors. But got nice skylights, nice room. You can probably still fit queen size beds in here. But this is day one, and it's only going up from here, so see you soon. Hey guys, we're back at the mobile home. It's about 2 weeks in. We got a lot of holes filled, put on a primer on the wall, took a lot of the trim off. We also textured some of the walls that had missing spots. Here, not much done in this bedroom, but this way. We fixed a lot of the bathroom issues that we had with the ceiling. Started patching in this bedroom and then priming in this bedroom. We got threw out some of the doors. We're going to get new ones. They're on their way, as well as some trim work and things like that. Carpet is ordered. We have a new door. We get some nice trim on there. Flush that up, and then we got 2 5-gallon buckets of paint. Maybe like cool steel or something like that. Color. And then we have all the decking material today. We'll get that done in a weekend, and start looking good once we get the paint on, a little bit of trim, and we'll go from there. See you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, welcome back to the mobile home. It's been about 2 weeks since we've gotten the mobile home. Mostly it's a lot of work with the walls, getting everything patched, textured, primered. We use a product called Kills PVA. It covers up things pretty well, especially if you have food or crayons, drawings, things like that. It covers it up pretty well. Took off all the trim, put up new trim in some areas. In the living room area, we'll have some nice gray trim. We got the paint, a couple of 5-gallon buckets, and from there we'll paint everything. Put in a new deck. We got a new door. We'll put in a new door in the back as well. A lot easier than trying to find a slab that's the right size. Got on the roof last week, fixed all the leaks, and starting to fix the inside as well. Just with the everything. It's not really worth taking the popcorn ceiling off. Really, we just want to fix it and patch that ceiling. Appliances are also ordered and on their way. About a week, it'll look a lot different. We're power washing the outside. But as soon as all that paint is up, it'll look a lot different. Alright, see you in about a week. Hey, this is Joey again with the mobile home. We got some updates with the exterior. We got a new color on all of the exterior trim. Cleaned up the yard, added a little bit of plants and mulch. We got the new deck on. Still needs a railing, but it's mostly functional. We have appliances showing up and carpet this week, so we need those steps in for them to do that. Got the new exterior door, and then this week we will also have a dumpster dropped off, get rid of a lot of the old stuff that was outside, as well as some exterior doors and interior doors that we're going to throw away. I think this is a good spot for the garbages, and we've got this nice large pad. We'll clean that off near the end, probably get a little bit of trim and rock for the patio, but besides that, this is what the exterior is going to look like. Hey, this is Joey over at the mobile home. We're in week 6 now, and we're just finishing up a lot of the trim work. We have a lot of cleaning to do, but it's a major milestone to see all of that trim work done. The door's done, this cap is done. We'll do a little extra painting and touch up here and there, but besides that, a lot of cleaning obviously, but we have all of our appliances, backsplash, paint, trim, everything. The hallway looks really, really nice. We're starting to put up smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors, all of that. And then in the next few days, we'll be wrapped up and start to clean. Hello, this is Joey over at our West Fargo mobile home. We're just finishing up everything, putting it on the market and ready to sell. The lawn, outside, trim, all finished. Looks absolutely amazing compared to what it was. This was basically just dirt and weeds. We got new doors. This was originally $7,000. That's what we bought it for. We put a little over $9,000 into it, using some comparisons and some online calculators that are free, like MH Village. A lot of them are saying it's worth something around $34,000. The HVAC's a little bit older. There's no AC working, unfortunately. We thought it was working, but it's not really. We wouldn't want to say it is. With everything in the market, probably worth more around $30,000. So anything between $25,000 and $30,000, we would be doing pretty good on. The dining. Back here we got some bedrooms. Really nice size. Walk-in closets, lights and everything. We basically fixed a lot of outlets and holes in the wall. There's a lot of damages. Got some new doors. They look pretty close. It's absolutely not perfect, but it's pretty good for what we're doing. Massive hole over here that we fixed. Painted it. There's still a little bit of remnants of the blue that was in here, but a lot better than what it was. Put in new appliances, so we got an oven, fridge, washer and dryer. Doesn't come with this place. Most people are okay with that. They'll usually buy some used ones themselves. Nice sized living room. Took a little over 2 months to finish. Then we had some odds and ends coming in the mail. The guys who replaced some windows took some while, but they did pretty good. Lots of showings. Most of them are people who want to do rent to own. That's all right, but this project we're looking to sell it, so we did turn down some offers, but we have several offers between that $25,000 and $30,000. Mostly just waiting on loans now. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, this will wrap up our West Fargo mobile home, and I'll see you next time.